everyone, welcome back to the channel and मैं हूँ Alisha and I make DIY art and craft and home decor related videos. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a lovely DIY that I have made for my balcony because soon I'm going to give makeover to my balcony. If you want to connect with this channel and you want to see more videos in the future, then you must subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. To make this DIY, I'm using a plank.
What if I don't have planks?
You can use cardboard as well. Draw a sketch on it like I have drawn a girl in a dancing pose. It could be anything.
But I don't have any art skills.
Then you can go for any art form. You can simply draw a flower on it, or you can choose Indian art form. That will be a little bit easy, and paint it according to your choice. Then I am making a flower pot here with brown color and some plants in it with flowers. Then paint the lady and the background with the desired color. I am using acrylic paint here. To sharpen the edge of the drawing, you can outline with the black acrylic paint or with the permanent marker. So I have done painting the drawing. This is the final look. Now I'll need a small wooden organizer. You can use plastic organizer also. Then I'll be using this cardboard rolls.
Where can I get the cardboard rolls?
You can get it with the foil rolls, book cover rolls, or you can simply search online. At last I have to use the cardboard because I wanted to cut like a palace design. Apply the hot glue on the both side and place the organizer on it. You have to stick both the cardboard rolls on the both side of the organizer. And the cardboard on the top of it. Cover all the three sides the cardboard like this. If it is possible for you, you can cut the MDF board into these shapes like I have made. That will be more sustainable. But I don't have that option. That's why I am using cardboard here. Next I will be using this molded clay that I have finally brought from India, and this comes with the hardness separately. You have to mix both of them. One thing I really like about this clay is that this comes in small packets, so the wastage will be very less. Mix it very well and make any shape you want. I am just rolling with the hands and giving a shape of pipe. Then apply the glue on the cardboard and place the clay. Gently tap on it. In the same way, I am making a climber on the pillar to make more realistic. And the two pillars are actually slightly different in size. That's why I'm putting the climber only on the one side. So it will give that illusion of the same size pillar. Make some more design on the top. Paste some more leaves on the climber, and then I'm giving some details with the toothpick. Let it dry for a few hours, then I'm painting with the gesso. When it gets dry completely, I'll paint it with the acrylic paint. Here I made sky blue color and the climber with the green color. Now the next part is my favorite, to put plants in it. I have some artificial old plants with me that you need to paste with hot glue in the organizer. You can even put the original plant in it, but it won't sustain for so long. And to hang this on the wall, I'm just placing a small piece of rope on the backside of the plank with the hot glue. Then you just need to put it on the wall hook. So this is how the final DIY look like. I really like this. What about you guys? If you guys liked my work, then please give this video a like and comment below. And please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.